Guys, what is going on? I'm back with one more video. Today, I wanted to actually talk to you about how to shoot for high quality YouTube videos with your phone only. Though I shoot my stuff from Zoom because I have to do this every single day and I create content for all the platforms. But if you're a content creator trying to get into the space of education, trying to get into the space of, entertainment and you want to get more views, but you're a little less short on budget, and you want to start with what you have. So phone is a good option, right? So you don't need fancy setups to start as a content creator. So we're just gonna go deep into it. I'll just discuss the common aspects that you should take care of if you want to start with the high quality videos for YouTube, just from the gears that you have. So first, the lighting. Really take care of the lighting that you have around you, right? Keep it natural. If you're doing it outside, do it outside. You would not have to buy the light. If you're doing it indoors, a ring light should do, right? You can go for the more expensive ones, but today we are just talking about only the content. You want to keep it less in the budget. So I think the ring light would do. Do not do overexposure. Do not, brighten it up too much that, when you do editing, you pretty much can't do anything about if it's overexposed. If it's underexposed, you can still fix it with the effects, etc. But try to keep it optimum at the level how you see it on the monitor or basically your phone. Just check the reference images and the videos, right? Um, so yeah, just don't make it too bright or don't make it too dark. The lighting, that's where everything starts, right? Video settings, when you're doing it from your phones, see if there's an AI to just fix your this thing on the video settings, etc. In the new phones, it's there. If you're using an older version, there are AI like a Hyper, I'm forgetting the name, whatever, there are a lot of AI enhancement tools for the videos out there. Free, paid, I'm not going to discuss that. So yeah, you can just fix the video quality. If it's grainy, the AI is going to pretty much fix that. Um, Camera should be 180p or yeah, right? Shoot always on a landscape mode, okay? This is what I'm talking about. If you're shooting for YouTube, background should be clear, clean. It can just be a white wall with a plant, etc. Or it can be a logo at the back. Or you can use a green screen if it's too messy at the back. Just use a green screen and switch it to anything else that you want it to be. And yeah, it has to be on brand. If you're an education person, don't make it too bright or like a DJ light of sorts. And if you're entertaining, then don't make it black and white, right? So that's just common sense. Audio, this I have a mic. Audio is very, very important. Um, I would say even it's as important as the video itself. So if there's echo, this thing, that thing, just buy a mic, whatever. Just a 1,500 rupees mic should do. Audio quality is more important than the video quality. If the video is grainy and your audio is good, then you might get views and the reach. But if your video is shit, if your audio is not good and your video is super high quality, it doesn't matter, right? So audio is more important. Uh, if you have a noise cancellation, like a thing installed on your mic, like I have, then yeah, keep it on. Keep the setup same. Try that you don't have to keep removing the setup again and again. Have a tripod, just fix it over there. Don't move the tripod. Don't change the background too much and focus on the content that you're creating. It'll save you a lot of time. Like I said, you don't need perfection if you're just starting out. Of course, once you scale, once there's money coming in from whatever that you're doing, then things change. You can start buying stuff. But it's more about the value that you're delivering, not the fancy gear. And thank you. Just start recording, start sharing. You got this, bro.